The next one is input and output functions. So suppose if you want to get an input from the console or get a character from the user, I have to use these functions. So what are the functions is, one is getChar. It is used to get a character from the console. Console is nothing, monitor. From the monitor, if I want to get a character from the user, I can use getChar function. And the next one is putChar. PutChar, it is used to print a character in the screen. Okay, in the screen, if I want to print a character, it will using this putChar. For example, putChar yes. So yes, right. So in an output, it will shown S. getChar means it will wait for one character. So if I enter something S, Y or something, so you have to input the one character. getChar, it is used to get a character from the console. putChar, it is used to print a character in the screen. That's it. And the next function is getS. getS, it is used to get the string from the console. It is used until enter the new line. Okay, get string means you are entering the new line. Until you press the enter, that will be considered for getS. For example, I am typing some line, okay, string, get the string. Whereas getChar, you are getting only single character. Whereas get string, so God is great. Okay, so you can get a character. Get the string from the console until new line. So until I enter. So I type God is great and enter. So this will be taken by getS function. PutS means it is used to print the string to the monitor. So instead of this string, you can put S. The next one is input output function. Frequently used input output function is Scanf and Printf. Scanf is used to get the value for the variable, and Printf is used to print a value for the variable. The syntax for Scanf is Scanf format specifier within the quotation format specifier, comma ampersand variable. Format specifier is nothing but the type of the data. If the variable type is integer, I have to define %d. Okay, there are many format specifiers. %d, just you remember this, %d, to get a character, I have to use %c. If I want to get a digit, I have to indicate %d and what else, %f for float variable. If I want to get a float value, I have to use this format specifier. Scanf format specifier, comma variable name. Example, if I want to get an integer value a, so scanf %d, comma ampersand a. So ampersand is just used to get the value. So this is the syntax for scanf. It is used to get the value of a in the console. From the console, you can get the value of a, right? The next one is printf statement. So it is used to print the value for the variable. The syntax is printf format specifier variable. So if I want to print whatever I get the a value, right? So a value equal to, it will print as it is. So wherever it gives the format specifier, here I give no %d. In this place, a value is prints. Okay, in this place, the a value prints. It is used to print the value of a in the console. So the output will be, if I entered here 5, so the output will be here. Whatever within the quotation, it will print a value equal to. So that will print as it is. Wherever it gives %d, that variable value will be print. A value equal to 5. This is the use of input and output functions. So what are the input output functions? getChar, putChar, getS, putS and scanf, printf.